Many of you already know that my channel now has a sponsor, PCBWay. PCBWay is a convenient and user-friendly service for anyone who needs to manufacture a printed circuit board or order a fully assembled device. The process is simple. You upload your project or enter the specifications, and right away you get an accurate quote and delivery timeline. No back and forth, no unnecessary delays or vague terms. The service offers production of various types of boards, from rigid to flexible, including multi-layer options. You can also order full assembly with components and functional testing. In addition, they provide stencils for solder paste application, as well as production of enclosures and mechanical parts, whether it's milling, 3D printing, sheet forming, or molding. Everything is easy to pay for, with no extra hassle. Shipping is available worldwide through reliable international services. The entire process is fully automated. You upload your files, the system checks them immediately and shows you the result. It's all handled under one roof, from your idea to the finished product. If you need something done quickly, easily, and with quality, PCBWay makes it simple.